There is nothing like making your own garlic paste at home, and for that you need a lot of garlic. We're gonna use around 4.5 cups of garlic. I like garlic and I like to use it whenever I'm cooking any type of food. I just like to add a lot of garlic paste. Instead of buying it in supermarket, please make it at home. Okay, once you put all the garlic in the food processor, I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil. Okay, because it gives a nice color. It also has a beautiful aroma. And you can use any type of oil, but don't use coconut oil, okay? 1 cup of oil. And then all you gotta do is just start using the food processor, and you're gonna have a garlic paste, unlike the one that they sell in the supermarket. This is 100% pure garlic paste. Once you get the consistency that you want, you can keep going if you want, or you can have it chunky. It's up to you. I like to have it very, in a fine way. And after that, just make sure you use a clean, glass or jar. Make sure you had a lid, and then you put it in the refrigerator. It will last you a long, long time. Instead of, like chopping garlic, I think this is a good idea to have your garlic ready. Especially when you cook a lot of Asian food, you wanna have some garlic ready, okay? After that, just make sure you put that, like a title, put something on it, so that way you know what you have inside your refrigerator. And this is something easy that you can make at home. In the future, or I already have some videos where I'm always using garlic paste, so I wanted to show you how to make it. It is fast, it is easy, and it tastes amazing. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.